Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be testing out some of these new 90p eyeshadows from Primark and seeing whether they're any good. I find that Primark's formula can be a little bit hit and miss. Sometimes they do really good palettes, like I did a video on the Artistry palette, I think it was called, the purple one. I will link it in the description box. I did a video on that not long ago and that was really good quality, and then sometimes they're not so great. I mean, you get what you pay for, they're only about £4, but anyway, I wanted to give these a try. They're only 90p, so I got 5 shadows. Wanted to do a look with them, do some swatches, and yeah, see what we think. So the shades I got, the first one is this matte shade and it's called Desert. There were more shades, but I didn't pick up them all because I didn't need them. Then I got this yellow, which is called Sweet Honey. I got this like brick kind of browny colour called Burnished Copper. And then I got 2 metallics, so I got this one called Spotlight, which is a lovely silver, and then I got the last one is called Black Cherry, and it's like a burgundy shimmer. So yeah, I'm gonna play around with these. I'm gonna zoom you in now and then we'll get on to the tutorial. Okay, so I have just primed my eyes using the Technique Eye Canvas. If you watched any of my videos lately, I've been raving about this. It's like a P. Louise dupe. So the first colour I'm gonna go in with is this matte shadow called Desert, and I'm just gonna put that in the crease. So I have put that desert down. I don't know whether you could see as well, obviously as well as I could see, but when I was blending this I felt like it disappeared a little bit. Like obviously I could build it up and it eventually got on really nice, and I think it was better that I went on my second eye, I went in with more powder straight away, because sometimes when a shade is overly pigmented, if you put too much on it's really hard to blend it out, whereas this kind of, because it blended away a little bit, you know, the more I put on it was fine to, you know, blend it out. So that is that shade on. I think it looks quite pretty now it's on. The next shade I'm going to go into is Sweet Honey, and originally I was thinking of putting that in my crease, but I really like how this desert shade looks. So what I'm going to do now is I think I'm going to blend a tiny bit of it up here just into this blend, and then I'm going to put some of it under my eye as well as like a pop of colour. The next shade I'm going to go in with is that Burnished Copper colour, and I'm going to just use it to deepen up the crease. So I think this looks coming on pretty well. The next colour I'm going to go into is one of the metallics. So this is Spotlight. It's just a lovely silver colour. Just going to put that on my lid. The last shade I have is this burgundy called Black Cherry, and you're probably not going to be able to see this, but I'm just going to put it on the join between the matte brown and the silver metallic. So this is the finished look. I do really like it. I think everything's performed pretty well considering these were only 90p eyeshadows. I didn't buy all the shadows in the range, so there are more, and you can go and get what you need basically. Like if you need a burgundy or if you need like a brick brown, you know, you can just pick up what you need, or you can pick up all of them if you want. It's completely up to you. They're only 90p. So we're going to do some swatches now, and because there's only 5 shades I'll just do live swatches as opposed to like normally when I would like swatch my whole arm and then come back. So yeah, let's do some swatches. Okay, so just zoomed you out a little bit there, and just to let you know, my Barbie t-shirt is from Primark and it was only £6 and it's really cute and comfy. So we'll go in with the yellow shade first, which is Sweet Honey. So again, this is a matte shade. Now when I've dipped my finger in it, like a bit of powder has like all messed up together, and that's what it looks like on the finger. So there is the swatch. It doesn't look as good there, but obviously you can definitely build it up. Next one is that light brown that I started with, Desert. So let's have a go with this one. They're really soft, these eyeshadows. So that's on the finger. There we go. So again, they're not swatching as great, but I feel like when I've used them on the eyes, they are a lot better. So maybe they're one of those kind of shadows, because some eyeshadows only work well with your fingers, but maybe these are like the opposite. Okay, let's go in with a metallic now. So this is Spotlight. So this is that shade that I used on the lid, and it actually went on really nicely. I don't know how well you can see it, but I think it's really nice. So that's what it's like on the finger. There we go. So yeah, again, like it just seems like a little bit of a colour, but actually, like, I was going to say that with a nice highlighter, but I'm not so sure. Definitely a nice inner corner highlight or a brow bone colour. Right, so that's the Brick shade now. So this is a Burnished Copper. So back to the mattes. That's what it looks like. So that one swatched the best so far, but obviously you'll see it more because it is the darkest. So I've just wiped away some of the fallout. And then this is the last shade, what was it called? Black Cherry, that burgundy colour. So I did put some on my eyes, you won't be able to see, but it did apply really well. It was the same as the silver, same kind of formula, like really nice and metallic. So there's that shade. And that's what that one looks like as well. So yeah, those are the swatches. So thanks for watching today. I've really enjoyed using these shadows, and I really like the look that I've done because it's not too out there. It's more of a wearable, colourful look, if that makes any sense. So yeah, really liked using them. I think they'd be great for anyone from like a beginner to somebody a little bit more advanced, depending on how you do your makeup and what kind of intensity you want. I think these would be really good all-rounders. So thanks for watching today. I have loads of other Primark and Revolution affordable makeup videos, so check those out. I'll leave some links in the description box, and I will see you again shortly. Bye!